When you are preparing for competitive exams, mental picturing is really important. You know what I mean? If you are preparing for NEET, you should imagine yourself as a doctor giving consultation to plenty of patients. And if you are preparing for JEE or KCET or COMEDK, you should imagine yourself as a top 1% engineer building softwares, doing constructions and doing other big stuff. Let me give you an example, an experiment done where basketball team was split into 3 groups. First group has done practice every day. So it was free throwing of the ball into the hoop. So first experiment was done for 20 days. So first team practiced every day. Their score was counted on the first day as well as on the 20th day. And the second group also did the same thing but without any practice. And third group is the key where they did not do any practice but they imagined every day throwing the ball and the ball hitting the hoop, making mistakes, doing the corrections. Do you know the result? Do you know what happened? The first team who performed every day has made 24% improvement, and second group, they didn't perform at all, they didn't do the mental picturing, made no improvement, and the third group made 23% improvement. I'm saying they did not do any practicing, they just do the mental picturing where they throw the ball, make mistakes, do the course corrections. Does the mental picturing starting from today that takes no effort. Imagine yourself as the top engineer or top doctors. You will win a chance to hit your target.